Good morning, children. Let us see our poem Confessions of a Born Spectator, written by Ogden Nash. Confessions means accepting, admitting. Spectator means viewer. Confessions of a born spectator means I born as a spectator, I born as a viewer, and I am accepting it, I am agreeing it, I am confessing it. Saying that is the poem name. And before getting into the poem, let us see about the poet Ogden Nash. Frederick Ogden Nash was born in 1902 and died in 1971. He was an American poet and he was well known for his light verse, of which he had written over 500 pieces. Light verse means writing the poetry in the form of a writing the poetry in an abridged form, in a very brief format writing and in a very humorous way writing. You call it as light verse. And he had followed unconventional rhyming scheme, so not orthodox method of writing. So the rhyme scheme also irregular we find in his poems. He was declared the country's best known producer of humorous poetry. His light verse even earned him a place on a postage stamp. So because of his light verse, because of writing the poems in a very simple manner, very brief and humorous way writing, brought him the name and fame. By that he became the famous personality, and he even got his picture to be posted on the postal stamp also. He is Ogden Nash. Yes, now we get into our poem. One infant grows up and becomes a jockey. ஒரு குழந்தை வந்து he grows up and he becomes a jockey, horse rider. Another one plays basketball or hockey. Another infant he plays basketball, and another one plays hockey. Whereas this one the prize ring hates to enter. இவனுக்கு வந்து this one means for this infant, for this baby, he hates like anything to get into the boxing arena. Prize ring means this is what the place where the boxing matches goes on. That's what prize ring. அதுக்குள்ளே போகிறதே பிடிக்காது for this infant. This one means for that one becomes a tackle or center. For that one may become a tackle means knocking down someone. Generally this happens in the football. So for that one becomes a tackle. அந்த குழந்தைக்கு வந்து he may become the football player or center means center of attraction இருக்கிறது. So focused positionல இருக்கிறது, that's what we call center. So that one may become the center of attraction, maybe in the focused position. Like that another one likes. But I am just glad as glad can be. Whereas I am so happy, just glad as glad can be. எந்த அளவுக்கு சந்தோஷமாக இருக்க முடியுமோ அந்த அளவுக்கு நான் சந்தோஷமாக இருக்கிறேன். எதனாலன்னா I am not them, நான் அவங்க கிடையாது, and they are not me, and அவங்க நான் கிடையாது, நான் அவங்க கிடையாது, அவங்க நான் கிடையாது. That's why I am so happy. Why he said like that, let us see. With all my heart I do admire. Wholeheartedly I admire. எனக்கு நான் அவங்க எல்லாம் பாராடுறேன். I admire them, I praise them. அத்லெட்ஸ் யாருன்னு நான் ப்ரைஸ் பண்ணுறேன். I admire them, நான் ரொம்ப ரசிக்கிறேன். admire means I praise and I enjoy, I admire. Athletes who sweat for fun or hair. And athletes means விளையாடுறவங்க who sweat for ஃபன்காக விளையாடுவாங்க. இல்லைன்னா ஹேர் மீன்ஸ் ரெண்டட், அவங்களுக்கு காசு கொடுக்கறதுனால அவங்க விளையாடுவாங்க. இப்படி ஒரு ஃபன்காக விளையாடுறவங்க இருக்காங்க, இல்லை காசுக்காக ஹேர் பண்ணதுனால. தட் மீன்ஸ் ஃபார் தி ரெண்ட், ஃபார் தி மனி தே ஆர் கெட்டிங், ஃபார் தட் தே ப்ளே. ஃபார் பீப்புள் ஹூ ப்ளே லைக் தட், athletes who take the field, how they enter into the field, the place where they are playing in gaudy pomp, in the showy dress, and mime each other as they romp. When they play in a rough and noisy manner, they mime each other, they injure each other. So once they enter into the field with a showy dress, with a gaudy pomp means with a showy dress, they romp, they play in a rough and noisy manner. At that time they mime each other, they injure each other. They mime each other means they injure each other. My limp and bashful spirit feeds my weak and shy spirit. So within me, my spirit, how it is means very weak and shy spirit I have, that feeds, that enjoys on other people's heroic deeds. When other people, they deeds means tasks or works, when other people work in a heroic manner means seeing that my spirit enjoys, I enjoy a lot by seeing all that. So with this and all, I do admire, I too enjoy. So when the athletes are playing with all difficulty, and when I enjoy it like anything, I by watching it, being a being a spectator, I enjoy it a lot. Now A runs 90 yards to score. இப்போ பார்த்துட்டிங்கன்னா A B C contestants, A runs 40 yards to score. அவங்க வின் ஆகிறதுக்கு 90 yards, not 40, sorry, 90 yards ஓடிட்டுருக்காங்க வின் ஆகிறதுக்கு. B knocks the champion to the floor. அந்த அளவுக்கு அவங்க ஓடினாலும் B இன்னொருத்தன் வந்து அந்த ஏன்னு தாண்டி முன்னால் போயிடுவான். He to become the champion. Cracking vertebra and spines. So அந்த spines means backbone, and then அந்த connected vertebra means அந்த connected bones, அதெல்லாமே crack பண்ணிட்டு, ஸோ அந்த அளவுக்கு அவன் கஷ்டப்படுவான். Lashes his steed across the line. And another one, that is what an athlete. And so where ரன்னர் வந்து ஃபஸ்ட்டு ஏ பிளேயர் வந்து 90 yards ஓடிட்டாங்கன்னா பி பிளேயர் அவனை விட தாண்டி ஓடி போயிட்டு அவன் சாம்பியன் ஆகிடுவான். எப்படி? he cracks his vertebra and his spines and all. By that he becomes the champion. இப்படி பார்த்துருங்க. see இங்கே well, he cracks his vertebra and spine. whereas அப்படி ஒரு பிளேயர் இருப்பான். இன்னொருத்தன் வந்து he lashes his steed. Steed means a strong horse. அவனோட strong horse-ni he lashes. He using his whip, he beats that. What for? To cross the line. அந்த லைன் கிராஸ் பண்ணுறதுக்காக ஃபஸ்ட்டு போயிட்டு அந்த லைன் கிராஸ் பண்ணால் தானே he will be the winner. To cross the line he lashes. That means by using his whip he beats his strong horse. He beats his strong horse. You would think my ego it would please to swap positions with one of these. நீங்கள் நினைப்பீங்க மை ஈகோ இட் வுட் ப்ளீஸ், எனக்கு என்னோடய ஈகோ வந்து ரொம்ப ஹாப்பியாக ஃபீல் ஆகிடும். டு ஸ்வாப் பொசிஷன்ஸ் வித் ஒன் ஆஃப் திஸ். இந்த பொசிஷன்ஸ்குள்ளே என்னென்னா ஒரு ஜாகியாவோ ஒரு அத்லெட்டாவோ இந்த பொசிஷன்ஸ்குள்ளே இஃப் ஐ எக்ஸ்சேஞ்ச், இஃப் ஐ என்டர் இன் டு தட் ஐ ஃபீல் வெரி ஹாப்பி லைக் தட் யூ மே திங்க். நீங்கள் நினைப்பீங்க. பட்